BlueMD utilizes state-of-the-art LED technology to safely and effectively eradicate the acne-causing bacterium, P. acnes, a leading cause of blemishes and blackheads. Unlike harsh topical creams that only treat acne on the surface, BlueMD penetrates deep into pores, eliminating P. acnes at the source to heal blemishes and prevent future breakouts. BlueMD also emits red light to reduce inflammation and promote skin healing. In as little as 5 minutes a day a few times per week, BlueMD heals your acne from the inside out. For clearer, smoother, blemish-free skin. Light therapy is a safe and effective skincare technology used by dermatologists for decades to treat multiple signs of acne including pimples, pustules, whiteheads, blackheads, and redness. Visible blue light travels deep into the skin's layers, eliminating the bacteria, P. acnes, which is a cause of acne in over 90% of sufferers. Turn your RejuvaliteMD into a safe and effective acne-clearing device. Simply remove your RejuvaliteMD light panel and replace it with this BlueMD light panel. Easy to replace, simply remove your RejuvaliteMD light panel and replace it with this BlueMD light panel. No harmful UV rays. Clear skin. BlueMD light heals your acne from the inside out. For clearer, smoother, blemish-free skin for both men and women. Heal and prevent. BlueMD penetrates deep into pores, healing blemishes and preventing future breakouts. Reduce inflammation. BlueMD emits red light to reduce inflammation and promote skin healing. 60-day money-back guarantee. All devices and panels have been carefully tested and designed with your skin safety in mind. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.